This is a regular egg, and this is an egg soaked in vinegar. Acetic acid in vinegar reacts with the calcium carbonate shell, releasing carbon dioxide gas and completely dissolving the hard outer layer. The remaining inner membrane is toughened by the acid, making it rubbery. Without the opaque shell, light passes easily through the thin membrane. For this experiment, I'm soaking 10 eggs in 10 different liquids. I'll fully soak the first 3 in filtered water and drop in some food coloring. For the next 3 eggs, I soaked them in coffee, vinegar, and green tea. For the remaining 4 eggs, I soaked them in sugar water, Coca-Cola, Red Bull, and 90% alcohol. Let's see the results. Now, we're going to test the light transmission of all the soaked eggs. And the only one that still lets light pass through is the egg soaked in vinegar. Time to check the inside of the eggs. Woo! The blue dyed water has soaked all the way through. Red inside and out. Look at the yellow dyed water pouring out. Through osmosis, the thin membrane pulls the colored water inside. Osmosis inflates the egg, while acid denatures the proteins, coagulating the whites and shrinking the yolk. It looks boiled, but it's not. Alcohol denatures the proteins just like heat, turning the egg into a bouncy, rubbery solid. It absorbs impact and bounces from a meter high without breaking.